Hi, this is a teardown of Facebook portal that I've had for a month or so, and it's a fantastic device. I also have the bigger one. I've been using it daily. It's hard to explain what's great about it. At first glance, it seems like just another tablet on a stand, but once you start using it as a video phone, it's just another experience. When you have the camera following you, you have your hands free, etc., etc. And now I'm going to open this up for two reasons. First of all, I want to see what's inside, what kind of processor is powering it. And the second, and actually the main reason, is that I want to make this battery powered. It should have been battery powered from the first place, because at least the smaller one, the bigger one not so much, but the smaller one, because you would like to have a handle on it and just carry it around like a handbag or something. Wherever if you're in the kitchen, you just take your portal, and it's easy to transfer calls from your phone to the portal. Just one push of a button, the call is transferred to the portal, you can go on from there. So it has to be battery powered, and it has this crazy ass small jack on the bottom. I have these jacks, but it's on the bottom, and I think it might be a good idea to add another power port in addition to this one. So let's go on with the teardown, and as I suspected, it is opened up from here. Hope I don't break this. Let's see, this has some kind of little glue. I think when I heat it up, I'll be able to glue it back on. It comes off pretty easily so far. This feels nice and sturdy. It has some weight to it, so this plate is metal, obviously. I'm really curious to see how this comes apart. There you go. Just some adhesive here. I think it'll still sticky. Okay, so we have a lot of small screws. Let's see, which one would it be? I'm going with, I don't know, let's try this one. Nah, too big. Let's see, these are so freaking small. Yes, that's a hit. And let's see now, it has a whole lot of screws. I'm starting with these corner ones first. I'll use this as a holder for the screws. One. There's a small metal tabs here. See the speakers already? Yes. What's going on? Carefully. Yes, we're in. That's just the plate. That came off nicely. Whole lot of screws. Maybe not to prevent the speakers from rattling. They're just mounting the speaker. And it's airtight. There's a seal around it here. So they're making it airtight for the audio. Pretty. As I can see, they have put as big speakers that they could put inside of here. Then we have the USB that doesn't function as a power port. USB-C, I tried it. I think I tried it. It doesn't take USB-C power. There is the power socket. Try not to break this sucker. My guess is it works the same way as the iPads do. Luckily, I have this reflow soldering thingy, hot air gun thingy. Let's warm it up a little bit. Peek inside. Yes, there's a lot of adhesive here. Yes, that's it. Okay, let's have a peek inside. There you go. So no really short cables to mess up. And there's a lot of adhesive, so I think I'll be able to heat it up and put it back together again. Oh, there's the mic. Have to be careful. There. And have a peek inside here. Okay. Let's see carefully. Yes. Now we are in. I don't want to take the screen cables off. Okay, this is for heatsink. This whole thing, because it's tied to them. Now, everything is pretty small. What is that? Looks like an SD card reader, but why should there be one? Now I have to take a photo of these. I can't really see. Maybe with the magnifying glass. Yeah, I have to look these components up. The processor now, that's something that's very interesting to me. Let's see whether we find any markings on that thing. No, they've shaved it, have they? Yes, they have, but there are some markings visible, but they have like sanded down the markings. Oh, that's crappy. That's the main sock of the thing. I have to take a photo of that. On chip part. But the next stage is to get to know the power brick. I don't know whether you can see what it says in there. I'll take a still photo of that. Let's see, 19 volts, 2.37 amps, it says. So a pretty hefty power brick. What else does it say? 45 watts. Plus is in the middle. Put that into the back of your head. Plus is in the middle. So the connection. It's now of this thing. There's something wrong with it. I hope I didn't break the camera cable or something. It seems to get stuck, but it boots up and it's alive. Anyways, I'll try to power it from the power supply. Let's check the power draw. You heard the noise. Portal from Facebook. 7 watts. Now the screen is up. And we have 7 watts. It says try your first call. Let's see your contact.